गुड मॉर्निंग। मेरा प्रणाम सबको स्वीकार हो। वक्त अगेन आप लोगों का डॉक्टर सतीश श्रीवास्तव एज ए HR ट्रेनर एंड मैनेजमेंट कोच आप सबके समस्त हाजिर हैं। हम कोशिश करेंगे आज टाइम मैनेजमेंट पे बात करने का। क्योंकि अगर हम टाइम का मैनेजमेंट हमारा अच्छा नहीं है तो डायरेक्टली इट इज़ प्रोपोर्शनेट टू प्रोडक्टिविटी। टाइम इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनेट टू प्रोडक्टिविटी और वाइस वर्सा। ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन निकालना है, प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ानी है तो टाइम का यूटिलाइजेशन करना है, और ज़्यादा अच्छा टाइम हम बिताते हैं तो हमारा प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ती है। फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट, how many hours we are having in our hand to work in the organization? 8 hours, 9 hours, including tea breaks, lunch, or sometimes late sitting because of your choice or because of some compulsion, 10 hours. On an average, 9.5 hours you are working in an organization. Beyond to this you are not working. Out of 24 hours available to you, you are giving 9 hours, 9.5 hours every day. Rest of the times you are putting for your personal growth, you are living your personal life, social life, and having eat, drink and enjoyment, sleep. So what is the 9-hour utility? You cannot go beyond to 9 hours, 10 hours, sometimes in a week 10 hours you are giving. And if this 9 hours you are not going to utilize, 8 hours you are not going to utilize, you are wasting your time roaming here and there, doing destructive talk with other people, spreading negative energy as a pessimistic personality. Then what you are doing? You are wasting your time, you are killing others' time. Neither you are working nor you are allowing to work. Such kind of the employees are available in the market and in the industry, in each organization. I will say such people are there. You need not to find. You will get automatically. You work few weeks or month, you will get this kind of the person. And you remove one person, then other person will be inducted in the organization. I should not say, but I used to say that was, this is also law of the nature. और वैसे भी अगर आप देखें, जहाँ पे अच्छे लोग होते हैं वहाँ पे बुरे लोग होते हैं, जहाँ पे भगवान होते हैं वहाँ पे राक्षस भी होते हैं, जहाँ पर गुड प्रोफेशनल होते हैं वहाँ पर बैड प्रोफेशनल होते हैं, जहाँ पर प्रोडक्टिव पीपल होते हैं वहाँ पे अनप्रोडक्टिव पीपल भी होते हैं. सो दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोफेशन वी आर लिविंग. बट देयर इज द गुड टाइम मैनेजर. They will reach, they will punch the day at the right time, they will punch out the time at the right time. And whatever work is assigned to them by senior superiors and bosses, directors, they accomplish the tasks. And good professional, they do and complete well before the time. Well before the time, they don't make any argument. Task is assigned, they are on their desk and table, and they are efforting to complete the task. Such people are a leader, self-motivated, and a good time manager who manage the time. time 8 hours, 9 hours. That I am talking to you. Either it is service industry or it is the manufacturing, but you need only 8 hours or maximum 9 hours. Leave it extra hours if sometimes you are giving. But you want to count, you can count that also. If you don't know this practice, time management, then it will not only adversely affect your professional life, but it will adversely affect your personal life also, your social life also. You will let always. Time is beyond to reach. Time is not controlled. Simple example, small example, very practical example. फ्रेंड से मिलना है 10 बजे, हम पहुंच रहे हैं 12 बजे. फ्रेंड आपको मिलेगा वहां पे? नहीं मिलेगा. आपके सीनियर सुपीरियर्स बॉसेस को काम देना है 10 o'clock आपको. आप ऑफिस पहुंचते हो 12 बजे. वो काम क्या रखा रहेगा आपके लिए? इट विल बी असाइन्ड टू समबडी एल्स, and the credit of all accomplishment of the task will go to him, where you were projected to get the credit and become the blue eye boy in the eyes of the management, seniors and superiors. What happened to you? You are being counted as a not a good task force master, respecting to the times. You will be counted into the negative energy personality. Your persona will talk about the negativism of pessimism, because you have not respected the time. So keep it in always mind that you must respect the time in each walk of your personal life, professional life and social life. It is a phrase, English phrase, that money is not money, time is money. What is that? Time is not, time is money. Money is not time. If you make the use of your time better way, you will be a good leader, because time management called for all the positive benefits and positive personality, positive aura, positive dimension setter, positive goal setter, everything towards the positivism. So in your each life, in your each walk of life, each life, social, personal and professional, you must, when you should start the task, start the task. When you should stop the task, accomplish the task, show the agenda of success. Man, I have completed the task. Go 5 minutes before to your seniors, superiors who has assigned the task to you and say, sir, this is the task with result. So you are proactive. You calculate the time and moves accordingly. It is not that you are waiting that time will come and say something. No. As a proactive professional, you will see that what time is assigned to me, and to meet that deadline, you will plan your action accordingly, and you will deliver the result, positive result, qualitative delivery, well within the time. And other kind of person, he is just ramping into the cart. I talk about the story of horse who can jump out the cart, जो परेशानियों को overtake कर सके. Now I am talking to you that other kind of the professional, negative energy professional, negative mind professional, who will never manage the time, they will be ramping into the problem. घोड़ा भी गिर गया, बग्घी भी गिर गई, और घोड़ा उछल के भागने की जगह घोड़ा उसमें छटपटा रहा है, निकल नहीं पा रहा है. Then he needs the help of some person. When help will come, then cart will be removed and horse will be freed. And by that time he is able to free, or he is no more. So either you manage the time or time will manage you. Better you should be a good time manager. You should be goal oriented, target oriented, aim oriented. What is your MBO? Management by objective. Well, within the time, deliver this, deliver that. If you are able to execute and drive yourself respecting to the time, time will definitely respect you, and then you see where you stand. You cannot recognize even yourself. Such a glory, such a success, such positive people's aura you will get, that not only in one task but in so many tasks you will be a successful leader because you are time manager. Let me take opportunity to welcome you once again and say good night, and do take care of yourself. Please come in my full seminar, attend, you will get more and more knowledge and benefits. Thank you very much.